Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Anthony Lugg. A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings has acquired an additional 30.4% stake in Caribbean producers Jamaica CPJ, solidifying its position as the majority owner. The deal was finalized through the exchange of over 94 million shares in A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings to the seller of the CPJ shares. This acquisition brings A.S. Bryden's ownership of CPJ to 75.3%, making CPJ a subsidiary of the Trinidad and Tobago-based conglomerate. A.S. Bryden & Sons says it recognizes that its increased ownership represents more than 50% of the company. As a result, it will make the mandatory offer to all remaining CPJ shareholders within 30 days. The move marks a significant milestone for both companies, with potential synergies anticipated in the regional market. More Jamaican companies are beginning to embrace the use of artificial intelligence in their operations. The issue was discussed at the Tech Beach Retreat conference being held in Montego Bay, St. James. David Thomas reports.
We are in the Caribbean, man.
It's the 8th staging of the Tech Beach Retreat conference, and artificial intelligence is at the forefront of the conversation. Delroy McLean, Senior Director at CNW Business, emphasizes the pivotal role this tool plays in the current business strategies and urges key industry players to embrace its potential.
The UK, for example, our partners there tell us what's coming down the pipeline. Guernsey, UK is a very big region for us, small on the map, but big region for us. And what they're saying to us in terms of things like legal and regulatory that's coming their way on for their customer base, we are forced to leverage AI and machine learning tools and robotics, etc., to have our network shaped in a way that can get that data ready and that capacity ready.
Kirk Anthony Hamilton, co-founder of Tech Beach Retreat, highlighted the significant outcomes the conference has achieved since its inception.
We have yielded many investments and partnerships for Jamaican entrepreneurs and businesses. We've yielded many solutions for corporates that are working to undergo digital transformation as we enter that era in the world. And so, the impact is very well felt in the market.
He added that the conference economic value, measured in millions of US dollars, has significantly benefited the Jamaican economy.
The production of the conference produces a significant set of jobs or benefits jobs. We take over hundreds of rooms at hotels every year as well. And, that produces significant economic activity, the flights coming into the airport, etc. And a lot of our guests stay on for longer. They tour Jamaica, they visit different sites. And so, we've managed to spread our wings well beyond just the conference.
As the conference looks to wrap up in a matter of hours,
what would you say are some of the biggest takeaways from what we've had so far?
Well, it's still early for us, but we've highlighted the work of the Development Bank of Jamaica, which I credit as the #1 development bank in the Caribbean, right? They're doing amazing work. And so that has been shared and highlighted. We had a presentation by one of the world's most sought after AI experts, a young lady by the name of XIE, right? Which was very, very well received. We had a session just now with a number of innovators from the enterprise level speaking about how AI is transforming the space that I think, our audience takes a lot away from.
A report there from Deidre Thomas. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $156.53. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $111.74. $200.26 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $165.47. The JSE index declined by 306 points, while the junior market index declined by 4 points. Declining shares outnumbered advancing shares by almost 2-1. The 31 shares which gained included Supreme Ventures, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Iron Rock Insurance, Express Catering, and QWI Investments. The 54 declining shares included A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings, Paramount Trading, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, KLE Group, and Jetcon Corporation. 28 stocks traded firm. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Anthony Lugg. International news next.